Hi guys, Aidan back from MoKo Tech here, and today we are going to be unboxing the MoKo Link Bracelet. So this is just the box it comes in. Let's unbox it. Straight away you can see we have almost like a SIM ejector tool, most likely to pop the links out. Then out comes the band covered in foam. And we're just going to unpop these rubber bands, one here and the other at this end, toss those to the side, get rid of this bit of foam, then let's slide the band out. It won't be as nice as apples because apples are incredibly expensive, but I think it's for £22 this isn't bad. Let's undo the blue tape and the other one. How do we take this off? Trusty unboxing knife. There we go, that's one side. And now for the dreaded other side. Oh, turns out I didn't have to use a knife. Now I think I'm going to have to adjust some of these links because I've got tiny wrists. I here have the apple. Let's take this band off. And then let's put this one on. This is actually kind of hard to put on because you have to do a little bit at a time.
20 minutes later.
There we go, you kind of have to do them both at once, then you'll hear them both click into place. And then need to clip one and then clip the other. As you can see, that's ginormous on me. So I'm just going to adjust this.
2,000 years later.
Still can't figure out how you're supposed to put this in.
6.5 hours later.
There we go. Oh, nope, not quite.
A few moments later.
There we go, that's one side done. There we go, that's now both sides done again. This took me like 10 minutes to do. So let's see what it looks like on the watch. I'd say start off by undoing the clasp bit first, so it's easier to handle. I would say go to a third to halfway, do the same with this one, and then push them in. There we go. See, this looks very nice. There we go, as you can see that fits much better. Because I've got tiny wrists, this actually fits. And these are some of the excess links. I had to take about 6 off. And this band, overall I think that this band is brilliant, mostly because of the price. Because Apple's is £500 and this is practically the same thing. I'm Aidan from MoKo Tech, and I'll see you later. Bye!